Hey, it's Eric with Find Pigtails. I want to show you one option to find not only the connector you need, but also find any information like repair help, how-to videos that might be helpful for you to get these connectors installed on your customer's vehicle as quickly as possible. So let's go. Search by keyword. You can click it here in the middle of the screen by hitting search by keyword, or it's going to be up here on our homepage. Same exact smart search bar, but check this out. I can type in a connector, Z27C2. It's going to be our top selling part number, and you're going to get the part that will pull up. But the other cool thing is, let's say I need some repair help. How to repair a connector. It's going to populate with all of our most popular videos on exactly how to do just that. One more feature, it is bilingual, so our website does speak Spanish. Let's type in luz, that means light, and it's going to populate with all of the connectors for different variations of light, headlight, fog light, etc. And there you have it. So even if you are a Spanish speaker, you can type in the verbiage in the search bar. It will understand you the same way and populate with the exact information you need.